I have seen a few people completely rebuild an engine just to wipe the cam out because they didn't pay attention to a little tiny detail. That little tiny detail is the lifter bores. You need to make sure that these things are clean and smooth and in good shape. I'm sure your engine block is clean because you're assembling an engine, but you want to double check your lifter bores. Your lifters should be able to spin freely. That's how they're supposed to work. They're supposed to spin on the lobe of the camshaft. If they can't do that, you're not going to break it in properly. You're just going to wipe the cam out. Also, your lifters should not stick in the bore. You shouldn't be able to let go of it and it just sits there. When you let go of the lifter, it should just drop right out the bottom of the motor. That shouldn't stick like that. That should just fall right through. But you don't want the clearance between the side of the lifter and the inside of the lifter bore to be too large, because then you might run into oil control issues. Anyways, I've seen that bite a few guys in the keister, so hopefully that helps you out. Subscribe for more tidbits and watch some other videos.